Hi Steelers, this is Jo, your Decor Steels ambassador from JJ Finds and Designs. Thank you all for joining me tonight for another exclusive Style Thursday. Okay, I'm gonna pop on, wait for somebody to pop on. All right, we got one listener. I like to always make sure, viewer. Hi Belinda, how are you? Thanks for tuning in tonight. I always like to make sure there's at least one person because one time I was literally doing a live at IKEA and the whole thing wasn't even recording, and it was a super awesome live and it wasn't even recording. So I always make sure at least I have one viewer. So tonight, first of all, I want to address what happened last week. We're not going to run out of these. We have plenty of these. And I apologize on behalf of Decor Steels that we ran out of those candles so quick. It was no teasing. It was nothing like that, nothing squirrely. It was just we ran out that fast. But Decor Steels came through the next day and had available inventory for all of you. So they definitely don't want to, discourage you from buying or get you all upset or anything like that. We just ran out. That was it. Simple. Nothing big. So tonight we have this beautiful enamel grain scooper. Totally enamel. It's a replica. I actually have a couple original, authentic, galvanized scoopers that I use all over the house. I have 3 of them that I use. So when I got this bad boy in the mail, I was digging it because it's white. So it's totally different. The handle's super chippy, perfect for any farmhouse look. Okay, it's gonna give you that enamel look, and it's beautiful. It's large, it's huge, and it's $24.99. Okay, so tonight, I'm gonna show you 6 different ways to use this beauty. Okay, so the first ones are going to be for the bathroom. I know it sounds weird to use it in the bathroom, but who loves these ugly boxes that never look cute in our bathroom and never go with anything in our bathroom, right? I actually hate putting out Kleenexes because they're so ugly. But I popped the Kleenex box into this and it's cute, right? So that's number one way to use it. Second way to use it is I have toilet paper in my, powder room. And I do have a little basket, but I love the look of this holding the toilet paper. How cute is that? So that's available for whenever somebody needs it and runs out. So you can use it as a toilet roll holder. I also saw it drilled into the wall. So you could actually use it almost as a little shelf, and you drill it into the wall, and then it will hold the toilet paper rolls. You know what I mean. Okay, so the third way of using this beauty, $24.99, ladies. Don't wait, just because we have inventory, don't wait to purchase these. Get them now. I posted the link. I'll also post the link on my page, so you can get it on my page, and the replay of the video will be here. Okay, those are my dogs barking. Utensil holder, okay? Everybody loves this metal in the kitchen. I love it in the kitchen. Perfect utensil holder. You can do a jar or something inside and then put the utensils if you don't want them floating all around and you want more of a, cleaner look. But I love this. We use the old school wood spoons in our house. So I love this look in the kitchen. Love it in the kitchen. Okay, so that's number 3. Number 4 is just a beautiful terracotta pot because I don't want it to be white on white. I want it to have a little bit of dimension. And so that's why I'm using the coral, what is this? Orange terracotta with a little green. And then you could just pop it in a corner with something else. Love it? Hate it? I love it. I know you love it. Okay. That's number 5, number 3, number 4. That's number 4. Number 4 way. So number 5th way is just your typical candlestick. Make sure it's not too tall. and a candle. I do have a cool white one, but again, I put the white in there and it just didn't look good. It was just white on white. So you need to do like a brown, wood, dark, black candlestick. You can do the white candle though, or a color. I'm a white candle kind of girl. I only have white candles in the house. Okay, and number 6, this is super cute. So old books, I told you girls and guys, go to yard sales and grab old books. I pretty much use old books all over, like throughout my house, and if you can find them for 10 cents, cool. If you can find them for $1, cool, because they're totally worth it. So I ripped the covers off of these just because they weren't colors that worked with my house, and I just like the natural look of these. Sometimes I put a little rope around there just to give it more texture, but this is a cute idea. Pop the books in there, and then just add one little sprig of greenery. Again, ladies, with the greenery, remember I told you, go to the store, any store, and buy a long garland, and then snip the garland up and use it throughout your house. Everywhere. It's like, what, $7 for the garland? You get it half off, $10 at the most. Snip it, and you can use it in like 10 different spots in your house. And make sure that you get a pretty real-looking garland, okay? Then I just popped this little greenery in here, just a sprig that I created myself, and it looks beautiful. Simple, love it, I love it. You can also pop this on books, and you could pop the candle in there. Girls, don't wait on this one. $24.99, $5 shipping. You can literally use this all over your house. I hope this was helpful for you all. Stay tuned for next week's live exclusive style Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Not sure what day I'm going to do it next week, but just always keep looking out for the post with my face on it. I love the positivity on this page, girls. You guys are all so helpful. The creativity coming through with the decor, love it. Keep it coming. I love seeing it. I scroll literally throughout the day while I'm bored, and I love seeing everybody's beautiful inspirations. It's actually helping me. It gives me a lot of ideas. So I thank you that, and make sure that you're following me on my page, JJ Finds and Designs. I am the ambassador for Decor Steals. That means I breathe, sleep, eat, and live Decor Steals, ladies. So let me know if you need anything. Send me a message. Post me something on the page. It's up to you. Peace out. Talk to y'all soon.